Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To make it easier to service the engine, you may wish to position the snowblower on its front and have little or no gasoline in the tank. Before you begin the repair, make sure the engine has cooled. Turn off the fuel valve and remove the start key. To replace the engine's carburetor, your first step is to pull off the choke shaft knob. Next, remove the screws to release the upper snow shield. Disconnect the primer hose and the start key wire harness to detach the shield. Now remove the screws to release the lower snow shield and pull it off. Remove the screws securing the mounting bracket and carburetor shield and pull them off. Now use pliers to release the clamp securing the fuel inlet hose and pull the hose off. Be prepared for some gasoline to spill out. Uninstall the bolts securing the carburetor. Remove the spring and throttle linkage and set the old carburetor aside. Now remove the screw securing the starter motor's gear cover and pull it off. Next, use a 13mm socket to remove the mounting bolts securing the starter motor and pull the motor off. Pull off the throttle knob. Remove the screws securing the control panel and pull the panel off. Remove the bolts securing the gas tank. And set the tank and cover aside. You're now ready to install the new carburetor. Choose the appropriate choke shaft, choke plate, and primer tube that matches the configuration used by the old carburetor, and assemble them on the new carburetor according to the instructions. Depending on the condition and application, you can use the new or existing hardware during installation. Note the position of the old governor spring, then remove it. Install the appropriate new governor spring in the same position as the old one. Replace the cover and the gas tank and secure them with the bolts. Reposition the control panel and secure it with the screws. Replace the throttle knob. Now position the motor on the engine and secure it with the bolts. Torque the bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Replace the gear cover on the blower housing and secure it with the screw. Now align the shields, isolator, and the new carburetor on the mounting bolts. Attach the spring and throttle linkage to the carburetor and secure the assembly with the bolts. Torque the bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Connect the fuel inlet hose and secure it with the clamp. Replace the snow shield bracket and the carburetor shield and secure the screws. Replace the lower snow shield and secure it with the screws. Connect the start key wire harness and primer hose to the upper snow shield. Reposition the shield. Secure the screws and slide the appropriate knob onto the choke shaft. With the new carburetor installed, you can now turn the fuel valve back on and return the start key to the engine.